Today I'm going to show you how to fix a Samsung Tab A8 X205 that isn't charging. This method works for most tablets too. As we can see, the tablet doesn't charge and the charging port feels loose. To fix this, you will need a new charging port, and a new adhesive to keep the tablet water resistant. Also, you need a heating pad, a screwdriver set with plastic pry tools and sharp tweezers, a double suction cup screw remover, some isopropyl alcohol, cotton buds, and a pipette. Place the tablet face down on a heating pad to soften the adhesive holding the screen. To remove the screen, use the suction cup and pry tools to lift the screen. Apply isopropyl alcohol if the adhesive is stubborn. Carefully disconnect the screen flex cable and the battery later on. Don't forget to remove the old adhesive. If you haven't disconnected the battery yet, disconnect it now. Unscrew the plastic shield and disconnect the USB Type-C flex cable from the motherboard. Remove the faulty charging board and install the new one. Reconnect the charging board, the screen, and the battery flex cable, and then you can plug in the charger to ensure it's working. Now put everything back together, clean off the old adhesive, apply the new adhesive workout, and reconnect the battery and the screen flex cable. And that's it. Your tablet should now charge properly. If you found this helpful, please give a like, leave a comment and subscribe for more repair tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.